morning everyone. Today we have to learn about second standard computer class. So already I taught lesson 2 mom. What is the name of the lesson 2? Input and output devices. Already I taught. Today I am going to explain this concept through animation video. So all of you fully watch this video. Really enjoyable this video. So all of you fully watch this video. Okay. Okay, what is the name of the second lesson? Input and output devices. Okay, first one, input devices. What is meant by input devices? Input devices allow us to send information to the computer. Input devices allow us to send information to the computer. For example, keyboard and mouse are the input devices. Okay, next one, output devices. What are the output devices? First, we have to explain output devices. Output devices allow us to receive information from the computer. Output devices allow us to receive information from the computer. What are the output devices? Monitor, printer, speaker. Monitor, printer, speaker. Okay. What is the next one? CPU. What is the next one? CPU. CPU is neither an input nor an output device. So it takes the information given by the input devices, does the work, and sends the results to the output devices. So it takes the information given by the input devices. Input devices the information full get pannittu, does the work, processing works are done here, and sends the results to the output devices. So this is called processing. The processing area so this is called processing. That's why the name is Central Processing Unit. So it is also called brain of the computer. Now I have to explain this concept to animation video. So let's watch this video.
Input and output devices. Input devices. In human being, input is given to the brain through the 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Similar to this, in a computer, input is given to the brain of the computer CPU through the input devices. To interact with the computer, we need input devices. An input device allows us to enter information to the computer. Keyboard is one of the most essential input device used to interact with the computer. Keyboard has many buttons called keys. Keystrokes on the keyboard is the most fundamental pieces of information sent to the CPU. Mouse is another essential input device used to interact with the computer. Mouse has 2 buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel. Clicks with the mouse is the most fundamental piece of information sent to the CPU. A light pen is a light-sensitive computer input device. It is used to select text, draw pictures and interact with the computer screen or monitor. A joystick is an input device that is used for controlling the movement of the cursor in a computer. The cursor movement is controlled by maneuvering a lever on the joystick. Joystick is mostly used for gaming applications. A barcode reader, also called a price scanner, is an input device used to capture and read information contained in a barcode. A barcode reader works by directing a beam of light across the barcode and measuring the amount of light that is reflected back. A scanner is a device that can be connected to a computer to capture images from photographs, posters, magazine pages, and store it in the computer. A microphone is an input device used by computer users to input any sound into their computers. Optical mark reader reads pencil or pen marks made in predefined positions on paper forms. They are used to read questionnaires, multiple choice examination paper in the form of lines or shaded areas. Optical character reader is an input device that reads and converts typed, printed or handwritten characters into computer understandable form, so that the computer can manipulate it. Output devices. An output device is any device that receives data from a computer, usually for display to the user's monitor. A computer monitor is an output device, which displays information in pictorial form. Printer. A printer is a machine that can be connected to a computer to print informations on a paper. A plotter is an output device used for printing vector graphics. Plotters use a pen, pencil or marker to draw multiple, continuous lines onto paper. Speaker. A speaker is an output device to produce sound. Without speaker, we can't hear any sounds from the computer. A projector is an output device that projects an image or moving images onto a surface, such as walls or a projection screen. Headphone is an output device consisting of a pair of earphones joined by a band placed over the head, for listening to music or speech.
Question time. Match the following.
Okay, Ma, have you seen the video? Okay. Do you all understand the concept? Okay. I hope you all understand the concept today and also interesting. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.